Once upon a time, not that very long ago, there was a tomcat named Zeke. He was cute and adorable, handsome. Zeke loved his family as much as cats can love any furless being, and his furless family loved him. One day, though, his family decided to take a vacation. Since they considered Zeke a member of the family, they asked him along. His furless mom explained that they would fly in a plane, just like a big bird. Zeke did not like the sound of that. After all, birds were to be inside him, not the other way around. He declined the invitation. This left Zeke's furless family with a problem. A serious problem. They needed someone to care for him while they were gone. His family called friends, relatives, neighbors, co-workers, everyone they could think of, but no one could help. Finally, Zeke's furless mom found Madam Kitty's all-inclusive cat house, which promised to pamper Zeke in a suite of his own, with his every wish and desire fulfilled. It sounded ideal to both Zeke and his family. Then, a day before his furless family was to take off, they drove him to Madam Kitty's all-inclusive cat house. He trotted in on his leash, and to his amazement, he saw Madam Kitty herself.
Meow, big boy. Meow. Meow, big boy. Meow. Meow, big boy. Meow. Meow, big boy.
Despite his adventure with the infamous Madam Kitty, Zeke had a wonderful vacation, as did his family. Even so, he was thrilled when his furless family returned and took him home. And most importantly, they all lived happily ever after. As for Zeke and Madam Kitty's relationship, well, Zeke thought occasionally of having Kitty for dinner. But that's as far as it went.